Through the AABIP, we're committed to the development of the next generation of academic interventional pulmonologists. We know that you are our future and we're here to invest. So it is extremely important to us to develop additional research mentorship avenues and also funding avenues to support those efforts. And I'm here to make this promise that starting from 2025, this conference, we're going to have our very first investigator development session, and that session is going to be a success and it's going to lead to additional sessions across the academic year. So it's not just one touch point, and it's going to culminate in future grant winners through that interaction. And we look forward to help you to develop your career, our next generation of interventional pulmonologists among us.